All right, good job. Here we are. So our big question today is, what is 543 more than 6? So by the end of this lesson, all of you will be able to answer this question. So this is our learning objective, is to add 3-digit number and ones. So our success criteria as follows. We're expecting all of you must be able to add a 3-digit number and ones using place value equipment or place value or base 10 blocks. And we are expecting most of you should be able to solve calculations by exchanging 10 ones for 1 10. And lastly, we're expecting some of you could be able to recognize when an exchange is not necessary. It means you could be able to recognize when we don't need to use exchange. I will explain what does mean exchange. So these are the keywords for our lesson: hundreds, tens, ones. Add, which means plus, subtract, minus or take away. Total, altogether, left, family, fact, family, exchange, and solution. Solution يعني الحل. You get the solution. When you have a word problem or you have addition problem or subtraction problem, you need to find a solution. Exchange, fact, family, left, altogether, and total. So this is our quick starter. So you're going to use number bonds to 10 to help you with number bonds to 100. We did this yesterday, but you did not participate yesterday in the starter. I don't know why. So let's do it today again. So 3 plus what makes 10? Can you answer this question, please? You can jot down your answer on your whiteboard or on your paper. 3 add how much equal 10? Number bonds to 10. If you already know number bond to 10, it's easy. You can do it quickly. Let me see. Very good. 7. We did it yesterday. Very good. Don't turn on your microphone. Very good, Ghaya. Well done, everyone. Well done, Saud Said. Very good, Haya. Good job, Saud Said. Sad Salam. Well done, Marja. So 3, always 3 at 7 equal 10. And 7 at 3 equal 10. Very good. These are number bonds to 10. So now what about number bonds to 100? So if 3 plus 7 equal 10. So what about 30? 30 at how much you get 100? Can you do it? Write down your answer, please. My microphone is turned off. It's turned on. Please turn it off. Maha, can you please turn off? Can you please turn your microphone off?
Mister.
Good, 70, well done, Saeed. Okay, Saeed, please turn off your microphone. Ma'jab, well done, 70. Well done, everyone.
70.
Good job, thank you. So 30 at 70 equal 100, and 70 at 30 equal 100. So these are number bonds to 100. Now, what about 10 take away 4? How much? 10 take away 4. It's so easy.
6.
Okay, you don't have to shout the answer. Just write down on your whiteboard and show it to me. So Said 6, Marjab 6, good job. Good job, Maha. Good job, Said. What about the rest? Yellow.
10 take away 4.
Raya, good job. Wow, you're amazing today. Ghanem, well done. Haya, good job. Hi, Haya, please, can you turn your microphone off, Haya?
Yes.
Okay. Can you switch your mind? Okay, good job. Well done, everyone. So the answer is 6. Always 10 take away 4 is 6. And 10 take away 6 is 4. So what about 100 take away 40? How much? 100 take away 40. 100 take away 40. All right. Good job, Mu'ajab. Good job, Maha. Good job, Saad Said. Good job, Raya. Good job, Ghanan. Good job, Said. 60. Good job. Noof. I'm waiting for the others. 60. Fatima Mishal. Good job. Well done. The others. And Maha, well done. Okay, well done, everyone. So the answer is 100 take away 40 equals 60. And 100 take away 60 equal 40. Well done, everyone. Thank you for your participation in the starter. You're amazing today. Now let's discover a lesson together. So today we're going to add a 3-digit number and ones. So can you solve this? Solve the additions. You will add the ones digit, and one of these is trickier. So 571 add 3. The first one, can you do it on your whiteboard? 571 add 3. So this is a 3-digit number. It has hundreds, tens, and ones. And this one is just one single digit, which means 1. So you are going to add the ones together, and that's it. 571 add 3. How much? This is so easy. I'm sure most of you will do it. 571 add 3. The first one. So just 571 add 3. Saad, don't turn on your microphone.
Mr.
سعيد عبد الله خلي الميكروفون دائما مغلق. اوكي سعيد عبد الله. Very good. Good job, سعيد عبد الله. Good job, معجب. Good job, man. The others. سعود سعيد, well done. Well done, Haya Jamal. Fatima Mishal, good job. Excellent. Excellent. Perfect. Well done. So the answer is, well done, all of you. All of you did an amazing job. So the answer is 574. We just added the ones together. 1 add 3 equal 4. Now, number 2, 135 add 7. Now, this is quite challenging. You have to think carefully. 135 add 7. How much? Try to think. Remember, you are adding the ones together. 5 add 7. Can you do it? Just try. Mu'ajab says it's 142. Well done, Mu'ajab. Well done. That's the correct answer. Good job. Now, next time you have to explain how did you find 142? How did you do that? Good job, Fatima Mishal. Well done, Saeed Abdullah. Great. Good job, Raya. So the answer is 142. Good job, Ghanem. Now, how did we find 142? Knowing that adding 7 plus 5, we get 12. So what do we do with 12? Do we write 12 or what do we do? What should we do? So we will explain this together and share the answers together. You need just to listen. So question A, 571 add 3 can be solved like last lesson, but 135 add 7 is different. So 571 add 3, I can add the ones, so 1 plus 3 is 4, so the answer is 574. Whereas 135 add 7, it's not the same. I will add the ones, but when I add the ones, I get 12, which is 2-digit number. So is the answer 1312? No. What should we do in this case? We should do exchange. So 135 add 7, we need 5 more to make the next tens. Then add the 2, or add on the 2 ones. So as I taught you today, those who attended face-to-face lesson, if you want to do subtraction, you can draw a place value grid and you represent your numbers by base 10 blocks. So 135 add 7. So 7 plus 5 equal 12. So you keep the 2, which is the ones, and you send that 10, or you exchange it. You exchange 10 ones with 1 10 and you send it to the tens. Then you have 1 new 10 in the tens column. Okay, I repeat. So here we have 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5, we have 12. So what you do, you exchange 10 ones with 1 10 and you send that 10 to the tens, and you keep those, you keep the remainder, which is 2 ones, and now you have 142. So 2 ones are left. You add the tens together.
Mr. Ibrahim, the screen, the presentation has stopped. Can you check again?
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you, but the presentation has stopped. We cannot see the slide.
Okay. All right. Maybe something went wrong. I have to wait it again. Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see the slides?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Good.
mister.
Good job. Now, okay.
Mister.
All right. Turn your microphones off now. I'm going to explain again. Good job. Turn your microphone off.
Okay.
سكر الميكروفون وركز معي. Don't do anything. Just focus with the teacher. Keep your eyes on the slide or on the screen. So I said, when you add the ones together and you get 10 or more than 10, you do exchange. What is exchange? Is you exchange 10 ones with 1 10. You exchange 10 ones with 1 10 and you send that 10 to the tens column. Then you count what is left, or the remainder. So when we add 7 plus 2, we get 12. So we keep the 2 to ones in the ones column, and we send that 10 to the tens. We exchange it with 1 10. Then we add the tens together. Now we have a new 10 in the tens column. So it's 142. So nothing is better than practice. When you practice, you will get used to it and you will understand it better. Now it's time to think together. Can you solve this addition? 316 at 5. 316 at 5. All you have to do is to use the number line. Then you find the answer. It's very easy. Or you can draw a place value grid. You represent your numbers with base 10 blocks and you do your addition. Choose the easiest way. So I will explain what you are going to do. So 316 at 5. First add the ones together, but when you add 6 plus 5, you get 11 ones. What should you do? Remember, we said when we get 10, when we are adding the ones and we get 10 ones or more, we should apply exchange. exchange is necessary. So if you draw the place value grid, this is 316, 300, 110, and 6 ones, add 5. So make sure that you draw the ones under the ones, 5 ones under the ones column. Now let's add the ones together. 6 plus 5, how much? 11. So here I have more than 10, so I need to do exchange. So I exchange 110, or sorry, I exchange 10 ones with 110. And I keep the left, keep the remainder, which is 1. So, and I have a new one here in the I have a new 10 in the tens column. So I have 2 tens now. So the answer is 321. Or if you want to use a number line, you start with 316 and draw your number line, and you jump 5 times. You're adding 5 ones, right? So you count on 5 times. 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321. Make 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 321. Okay, let me see if you already done that. Fatima Mishal, well done. Ahmed, where's your answer? Saad? Wajab? Saud Said? Well done, Fatima. Well done, Haya. Well done, Saud Said. So, well done, Nuf. So, by practice, you will understand the concept of exchange. I repeat, you draw place value grid. Okay, then you represent your number with base 10 blocks, height 316, and there are some blocks here, 316, so 3 hundreds, I draw 3 flats. I have 110, I draw 1 rod. I have 6 ones, so I have to draw 6 units. Now I'm going to add just 5, and 5 is one single digit number. Where should I draw? Where should I draw the 5 ones? Shall I draw them under the tens column or in the hundreds column? No, I draw them
In ones.
very good in the ones column because this is one single digit number.
The one.
Very good. Now, what I do, I add up the ones together. So 6 add 5 equals 11. Oh, I got more than 10. What should I do? Exchange. So I exchange 10 ones for 110. You exchange 10 ones for 110. So what is left is just 1 in the ones. بقالي واحد بس. So I write 1. Now I have a new 10 here in the tens column. So 110 plus 110 is 2, and 300 plus nothing is 3. So the answer is 321. This is very easy way. Very easy. So you can use either of them is fine. A number line or place value grid. And place value grid is so important because you need it in the coming lesson. So the answer is 316 at 5 equal 321. Now, question 2, this you have to do it on your own. Question 2, 248 at 6. Can you do it? And can you draw the place value grid? 248 at 6. First, represent the number with base block 10s, with base 10 blocks. Then you draw the blocks for number 6. Once you draw them under the ones, then you solve the addition. And watch out for exchange. I want you to do it first. 248 at 6 equal. I want you to draw the place value grid. ارسم هذا place value grid. Represent this number with base 10 blocks. يعني you draw 2 hundreds, then you draw 4 tens, you draw 8 ones. Then under the ones, you are going to add 6 ones. So you draw 6 ones under the ones column. Okay? Okay, if you do this correctly, you are a hero. Who wants to be hero?
Mr.
All of you wants to be, okay, your answer, hi Jamal. Can I see? Okay. Hi Jamal, your answer is correct, but how did you find that? How did you solve that? I want you to show me how. I want you to draw the place value grid. Good job, Ghanem, but I wanted you to draw the place value grid. Show me how did you find it? I want you to draw this one. Hundreds, tens, and ones, place value grid. You represent 248 with base 10 blocks, and you draw 6 under the ones, and you add them together.
Mr.
Don't say Mister, I can't see you. فهمتوا علي ولا لا؟ Okay, 254, that's the correct answer. How did you find it? أنا أبيك ترسم هذا. Can you see the pointer?
Yeah,
Look
okay.
at my pointer. I want you to draw this. But don't draw the same cubes. Represent the number 248 with block base 10 blocks. Okay? Then you draw 6 ones under the ones column. You add them together. أنا حابك تسويها بالطريقة هذه. Okay? I want you to do this method. Okay, that's fine. The answer is 254. So when we add 8 plus 6, we get 14. So we have 10 or more. So we need to exchange 10 ones with 1 10. And we keep the 4 ones that are left. So now I have a new 10 in the tens column. So 4 plus 1 10 equals 5 tens. 200 plus nothing is 2. So 254. Now I want you to do the B. Now 842 add 6. 842 add 6. I want you to do this method. ارسم the place value grid. Okay, you understand? Draw this place value grid and represent your number with with base 10 blocks. هذا 842. ارسم the blocks. ارسمها بالblocks on your place value grid. Then 6 also you need to draw it and represent it by base 10 blocks. It means you have to draw 6 units. That's it. Then solve your addition. It's very easy.
Mr.
Yes.
Look.
Who's that? Ghanem. Okay, very good, Ghanem. MashaAllah. Okay. Okay, you did the previous one. We did it. So now you're required to do this one, Ghanem. Hi. Hi, Rakam. You do B. 842 add 6.
Yes.
So we do this, then we finish. Maha. Well done, Maha. Put down.
Mr. I can see.
Fabulous. Fabulous, Maha. Good job.
شيء اسمه اف ام بيز، اف ام بيز هاي يسوونها من خلال الشت داون، برا الشت داون هاي يسمونها يونت كوست داون.
وجب خلينا نشوف. Let me see your answer. Hold it up.
كوست يتساعد.
Okay. So,
Mister, my answer. Look
what is your answer, Mu'atab?
here.
Mister,
Don't turn off your microphone. شغل microphone, please. Turn off your microphone. Saeed, turn off your microphone, please. Let me see your answer.
Mister, my answer.
Saeed, Yusuf, please turn off your microphone.
wait.
Okay. Yes, هيا خليني نشوف Okay. Okay, good job, Saeed. Well done, Ghanem. Okay. Yusuf, please turn off your microphone. Okay. Can I see? Is that Muhammad Abdullah? All right, 100/6. So what is your answer? Can you write your total? Write the total. So 842 at 6. Write the total. What's your answer? How much did you find? Okay. Okay, good job. Well done, everyone. So the answer is, it's so simple and easy. You get used to it. Next time we will practice more. So 842 at 6. You just represent 800 here in the first row. 800, and you draw 4 rods for 4 tens and 2 ones. Then down you draw 6 units for 6 ones. So when you add 2 with 6 altogether, you get 8. So no need for